Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to sell Alibaba products on Amazon. First, open the Alibaba Express website on the browser on the screen. Scroll down and you will see different categories of products here. Here I have chosen consumer electronics. You can choose according to your choice. You can also search for the product you want on the given search bar on top. I have searched for the iPhone 14 Pro Max here. It will show you the products of your search thing. It has shown me iPhones and now I have to select the one I want. On the other tab, search for the Alibaba Image Download extension. Click on the first one as shown on the screen. Now download the Alibaba Image Downloader on your computer. Pin it on your extensions and now open any of the images in Alibaba. Enable the option that can read and change site data when on the Alibaba website. Reload the page to apply the updated settings of that page. Scroll down to see the product details here. On the right side table, it has shown that in economy, it will charge $47.19 for 200 pieces. For standard shipping, it will cost $94.74 for 200 pieces. For premium shipping, it will cost $109.37 for 200 pieces. On the other hand, open the Amazon website on your browser. Sign in with your email address and password. Navigate to the Inventory tab and select Add a Product or create a new product listing. Enter all the copy data from Alibaba into the appropriate fields when creating your Amazon product listing. Upload the product images you download earlier. Set your selling price, quantity, and any other listing details. Once everything is filled out, submit your product listing on Amazon. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.